Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your OPPO Find X9. So, what you guys want to do first is remove the screen protector or a case because it can cause a lot of interference, and let me explain why. Whenever you have a case on your phone, as you guys can see, we have those little bezels, so those little dark here that are right on the screen, so right close to the screen on the edges. If the case is covering those bezels, it can cover even a tiny part of the screen, and as you guys can see, I cannot move my second finger once something is blocking it. So this is what can make your phone become less responsive, and if that's the case, then remove it. Now for the screen protector, if it's poorly applied or it's misaligned, it's not aligned properly with the screen, or it's just coming off to the edges right here, then it can also cause your phone to become less responsive with the touch, and you want to remove it. Now, after that, you guys can grab a microfiber cloth and clean your phone from any dust, debris, and fingerprints. So, now grab your microfiber cloth and give it a few swipes until you see that everything disappeared off the screen. So make sure to do that gently, and to make sure that you do it with a little detail to make sure that everything is cleaned up. And now my phone does not have any fingerprints on it. As you guys can see, even when I try and see anything, there's nothing. So that's how we know that we cleaned our screen properly. Now, what you guys can do is restart the phone. So hold the power button and the volume up button. Now swipe up to restart, and your phone will now restart. So all we have to do now is wait for it to turn back on, and I'll see you guys once it's done. So now, after the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is check for the software updates. So let's go over to the settings. And those settings, scroll down until you guys see system and update, and go to software update. It will check for updates automatically, so you do not need to click anything, and you will see either that your version is up to date just like mine and you don't need to do anything, or you will see a button to download and install the newer update. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.